Hi guys, Darius Petway. I want to talk about the first way you can find your deal. The first way we can find our deal is driving for dollars. Driving for dollars literally means getting in your car, driving around neighborhoods and looking for those homes. Some homes may be dilapidated or distressed and some homes may not be dilapidated or distressed. But the point is you get out in your car and you're driving because you're looking with hunger for your first deal. The second way we can find our first deal is through cold calling. The only way you can cold call is through skip tracing. Skip tracing is simply doing the legwork, doing the footwork, doing the research in order to find the owner of a home. Now, I started with driving for dollars. Many times when we're driving for dollars, you'll see a dilapidated home. You can look that home up on the county website and find who that owner is. You can look them up on social media. There are a lot of third-party sites that actually allow you to look up the owner of the home. But cold calling is once you've done that legwork, you simply call that owner, and sometimes you'll have successes and other times you have failures. But in real estate, all you need is one yes. The third way we can find our first deal is through the MLS. Your local realtor will look up properties for you. Let's say that you're only interested in 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom properties. Your realtor will input that into her MLS system and you'll get all of the 3-bedroom, 2-bath homes in whatever area that you're interested in. Another way that we can find our first deal is through direct mail postcard. And this might be the most effective way. Why? Because everybody's going to check their mail. Everybody's going to check their mail. Now, people may hang up on you when you cold call them. People may curse you out when you cold call them. Deals may or may not be on the MLS, but everybody's going to check their mail. And when you reach that motivated seller with a nice, maybe even handwritten note, they are ready to sell their homes. Another way that we can find our first deal is through bandit signs. Bandit signs are probably mostly cheap and they can be effective, but I love bandit signs because they don't cost much money. You can get your signs printed off and you put them up in well-frequented areas. And there you'll find your motivated sellers. Again, you'll get a lot of no's, but in real estate, all we need is one yes. The last way we can find our first deal is through virtual ads. Thankfully, since we're in the 21st century, a lot of us are on social media. A lot of us are on Google and YouTube and many other sites. Well, now you can pay to have your ads on these sites and reach out to motivated sellers. So these are 5 ways right now that you can reach out to motivated sellers and find your first deal.